Hi guys, in this video we're going to be solving this problem right here, which tells us to find the roots of this function here. So just to repeat the problem, we have function g of z equals z to the 6th plus z to the 4th plus z squared plus 1. So the trick to solving this problem is to realize that this is a geometric sequence. If you know that, then it's easy to tell that the common ratio is z squared. Now, since we have figured this out, we can apply the formula for the sum of a finite geometric series, which is a1 times 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. So I'm just going to plug this in now. So our a1 is 1, so I'm not going to write that. And then we have 1 minus z squared, which is our common ratio, all times all to the 4th, divided by 1 minus z squared. And we can simplify that to 1 minus z to the 8th over 1 minus z squared. And we can also times negative 1 on the top and the bottom. That'll give us z to the 8th minus 1 over z squared minus 1. So now we have converted our problem into a much easier form to look at. Now this whole equation equals to 0 when z to the 8th minus 1 equals to 0. So what we've just did is we converted this into a roots of unity problem. So now our new problem is to find the 8th roots of unity. And if you know trigonometry, then that will just be e to the 0th, e to the 2 pi over 8, or pi over 4, and so on. So I will just write out all the roots of unity. Okay, so these are all of our roots of unity. But this is not our answer, because remember, our original function was to the power of 6. That was the highest power, meaning that there are only 6 solutions. But here, with the roots of unity, we have 8. And the reason being is because we forgot about this denominator. When z squared minus 1 equals to 0, then the entire thing is undefined. So we need to get rid of any solutions in which z squared minus 1 equals 0. That basically is another way of saying z squared equals to 1, so z equals to negative 1 or 1. Now let's look back at our roots of unity and get rid of the ones we don't want. Well, we certainly do not want this one right here, because that is basically equal to 1. Anything to the 0th is 1. And we also want to get rid of e to the 4 pi over 4, because if you imagine pi in the unit circle, that is over here, and that is negative 1. And we do not want that solution. So we'll get rid of this. So these are our final solutions. This 6 right here. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.